So hi guys, I'm with Shooter Baba right now.
Hey guys.
Yeah, he is basically a Shooter Baba. I mean, it's his alias name. And as you know, my name is of course I'm Ishika. So yeah, people who do not know me, hi, I'm Ishika Gill, and this is what I was trying to do with the Shooter Baba only. I just wanted to start a podcast sort of thing. Since Shooter Baba and me, we know each other quite since a long time.
Yeah,
We go a long way back.
long way back.
Yeah. So we thought of doing this podcast right here, right now, as we're here and just chilling. So
And
Shooter
of
Baba.
course, smoking up, guys. So you need that shit to, really have deep conversations. It keeps you very clear that what you actually think.
Yeah, I
So
agree with that.
always smoke up, discuss the shit out. You will always have a peaceful outcome. I bet on it.
See, this is what Shooter Baba is here for. So we're basically trying to do a podcast sort of thing since Shooter Baba, uh, he's a wise man, I would say. He's a wise man. I've learned a lot from
Uh,
him.
yeah, a
Yeah.
wise man who has done a lot of shit, fucked up mistakes, made some
Yeah.
lives, ruined few.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
Yeah, let them
that's
just.
what life is.
Yeah, that's what life is, and we are here to discuss about life only. Like, how do we perceive life, or I think how people in general are perceiving life these days. Like,
I believe life is meant to be living with freedom, with no, you know, identity of who you are, where you are from, what kind of culture you are from, so that you can just gel up and experience how diverse this world is.
mm-hmm.
It's very sad that you have like good 60, 70 years if you eat well and don't have bad habits. So you have very less time to explore the world and do what you are actually here are for,
Yeah.
to experience this beautiful nature and progress of the mankind. And honestly, I would say it's more of a digress, because look around the technology, what it has done. It has just ruined the environment, ruined the nature, and made a beautiful heaven into a hell. So
Mm-hmm.
right now it's a sort of hell, and we must seek heaven before it's too late. That's what I believe, where we are right now.
Well, I do believe in some parts of it, but I do not believe in with the technology thing. I think some technology was necessary, but not like I don't want everywhere to be like technology and
Let
all.
me tell you, whatever was necessary, no? A human is born with all the knowledge of it, because the moment you are breathing, you're meant to know yourself. You have to start knowing yourself,
That's true.
right? And you have all the elements in the life in your body which you actually need. That is
Hmm.
fire, earth, water,
I agree.
space, and air.
Hmm.
So that's all you need actually. So don't say that right now what you're calling your necessities, right?
Hmm.
Think, are they? Because I don't think so.
They have become
Yeah,
these
they have
things.
become, we have become dependent on it.
Yeah, we've totally, yeah, exactly. So right now, I mean, if I talk about life, right, I was just in Chalal for like quite 10 days and I just came back where I live. That is
She's a
obviously
wild person.
Chennai.
It seems like I know more, but she has done a lot of shit in life. Met some good people, met some fucked up people, did some fucked up things, did some awesome things. So she has known a lot. That's why I like her company. That's why I like to be with her, because it makes me experience, you know, life through someone else.
Yeah.
That okay, what happened to me, situation was same, but that person acted differently, and the
Hmm.
outcome was this. Maybe I'm now learning something from my next mistake. Maybe I'll not make it, right?
I think it's all about vibes, and plus him being a Scorpio and me being a Capricorn, as all everybody knows
Oh, I
I'm
need
I'm
thumbs
just
up, man.
yeah. It's cool. So everybody knows that I'm just
Thank you so
into
much.
astrology. Yeah, you're welcome. So yeah, I mean, see, life is life is simple if you look at it that way. Life is simple if you just focus on yourself.
एक ना मैं सजेशन देना चाहूँगा सबको, a suggestion which will maybe make you close to what you actually here are for. Smoke up weed once in your life. It will make you realize that how, you know, fast you were in your mind, how it was more like a rush or a chaos in your mind,
Mm.
and you actually slowed down and looked at yourself that
Like, how are you,
what the
man?
fuck I'm doing in this
Yeah.
mess,
How are you? Yeah.
right? So please experience this, because it will change your perspective towards everything. How you be, how you treat others, how you know understand that how much a space and a stress reliever is required to actually live this life.
Mm.
So please smoke up once and keep listening. I think it's a good session. We can continue more, right?
Yeah, of course, of course.
Yeah.
So, talking about all this, I mean, I was practically the one who, just
My smoking guru.
yeah. So I was the one who made him smoke for like
Yeah.
once, and then his journey started with the smoking up thing.
I would say I was not in a very good state when I started it. I wish I would be, but there is no experience like first experience, right? So, though I had a good journey, bad journey, that's a different thing,
Yeah, of course.
right?
Hmm.
But I'm glad that I had this journey. May no matter that what I was that time, what situations were, how fucked up I was, doesn't matter. It matters that I did it. Do everything, guys. Life is very short to wait and think. Just act. Keep acting, keep living, keep breathing, keep drinking water, of course. Don't drink alcohol, that shit is toxic.
Yeah. So yeah, we're both not alcoholics, I'd say.
Yeah,
I
not a
mean,
fan of alcohol.
I've learned a lot from this guy right here, and I've learned what family means. I've learned, what stuff means in general that I think I needed to. So there was this one phase in my life for a month I was living at his place,
Hmm.
and we used to obviously not used to smoke up that
We were
I mean
kids back then.
yeah, kids
Actually,
back
she
then.
was kid
Yeah,
back
I was
then,
a kid
and
back
I
then.
was more of a into a teenage phase.
No, you were yeah, yeah, I was just like what, 13, 14 at that point of time. I guess
I
12.
would be 19 or 18.
Yeah, of course, yeah. So I mean, we used to work out, we used to eat together, and we used to
Hmm.
make crazy Maggies and all, have that awesome. You
Just
remember
for
when?
check, guys, I was a fitness freak. I used to
Yeah,
do shit, uh, which will seem impossible. So
yeah, I've seen him doing it.
I was crazy about strength, and believe it or not, I used to do 135 push-ups daily in the morning, and
Yeah,
that was a habit, and 35 to 40 pull-ups in the evening
and he made me do it.
with set of 300 crunches, and it was very good.
Not that hard, but yeah, we used to do workouts and all.
So I was blessed enough to born in city, which is called City Beautiful, Chandigarh, and we
Mhm.
have this beautiful lake, which is meant for working out.
Yeah, Sukhna, of course.
It's
Cheers out
called
to
it's called
Sukhna.
Spirit of the Chandigarh,
Yeah, of course.
and because it actually has an essence and a bliss. You go there, you watch sunrise, you watch sunset,
You watch
you
rains.
hear birds chirping, and
Yeah.
then you have your rains
Oh
experience,
my
right?
God, yeah.
And it's a fun place to be. If you ever come to Chandigarh, guys, please go check Sukna Lake,
Yeah, for
because
sure.
it's a must place to be.
Yeah.
And if you want a more relaxed experience, which will just ease you out, go in the early morning.
Yeah.
Try to watch sunrise there. It's very beautiful. The birds, and in winters it's damn beautiful because you have fog all around, and the water of the color
Yeah,
changes.
even the moon is very
Yes,
pretty
the
there.
moon is
The
very pretty, the
nights are
view
very
is
pretty.
pretty.
Yeah.
You have mountains, not very big mountains, but a decent view.
Mm,
A
yeah.
very a very good landscape, I would say.
Yeah.
A very colorful landscape. and it keeps changing with
I'll
the
I'll surely
movement of
put
the
some
moon.
Sukna Lake's pictures
Of
along with this.
course, you should. People should know
Yeah.
how beautiful that place is. And the second best thing about Chandigarh would be the greenery.
Yeah.
There are a lot of trees in Chandigarh
Yeah.
because
There are a lot of parks as well. That
yeah,
one in
there are a lot of
Recreational
parks.
Park,
Yeah,
the one
I
near
know that, I know that.
Gymkhana
I
Club,
know that,
Sector
I know
4
that,
Punch Club.
I know that.
You
It's a
practically
huge
used to
park.
live
Yeah,
near that only.
I used to live near that.
Uh,
It was a good
so that
place.
park is related to a mountain where you could just a
Yeah.
bit like sort of a trek up,
Yeah,
like five
Shivalik.
ten minutes.
They're basically edges of Shivalik mountain,
Hmm.
and
We have information right
yeah,
here. That's a good thing.
not like info, but yeah, good to know info.
Yeah, of course. So, I mean, I would say life's been crazy, but
Mhm.
what's been crazier is that I've learned a lot from life. And that's what makes it life.
That's what the way of life is. Keep
Yeah, you
learning.
learn. Yeah,
You
you just
keep
learn, you keep
learning and you
evolving,
keep
growing.
improvise.
Yeah.
Yeah, you keep improvising.
Yeah, like been there, done that, and then there comes the next
Yeah,
thing, then the next, and the next, and the like, and this is how life goes on,
yeah,
right?
and you are not meant to be living under rules
Yeah,
because you are meant
break
to
the rules.
learn and act
Yeah, break the
and
rules.
change and adapt. Because to adapt, you might have to break the rules.
Yeah.
That's why the life is so fucked up. People are angry because from the very beginning they are, burdened with those rules,
Hmm.
which are like feeded to their subconscious, and they give the same fruit to their children so that they can carry forward the rules, and it's a very fucked up thing, guys.
But we've been blessed that we have got parents who,
Yeah,
didn't really care about the rules. They let us
correct,
be,
correct.
you know?
They're awesome parents.
Yeah, we've got,
God bless all
yeah.
the parents in life. It's an irreparable loss if someone has lost any
Yeah,
parents.
of course.
Yeah, deep condolences, guys.
Yeah, it's more like even he's close to my mother.
Of course, I had a lot of chini wala paranthas, man. Guys,
Back
I was a
then.
sweet freak when I was a child. Like before my matriculation, uh, I could easily eat like 2 kg of laddu, 2 kg of rasgulla, gulab jamuns, 1 kg jalebi,
And
right?
all that,
And a
yeah.
gallon of ice
We have
cream.
seen him eating
Yeah,
like that,
so
yeah.
I could literally like put sugar in a glass of water, like 4 or 5
Mix it
spoons
up
of
and
sugar, and
drink
mix
it.
it up and drink it.
Damn.
That I believe that's how addicted I was to sugar.
Happy realization.
And the good thing is because due to my inclination towards fitness,
Yeah.
which obviously had reasons,
Hmm.
because sooner or later I realized that to avoid unnecessary fuck ups, at least you need to look like an animal who can bite, right?
Scorpio vibes.
Yeah, who can bite, because people are afraid of people, or messing up with people who can bite,
Yeah, who
right?
can
They're
bite you back.
scared.
Yeah.
They can sense in the body language,
Yeah,
because the moment you change the way you think, na, your body language changes.
that's true.
That's why thinking is so important. That's why there is psychology,
Hmm.
right? You need to adapt, guys. And I believe sooner in life I realized, because my mother is, you know, mother also had a long condition of diabetes. His father also
Yeah, of
had.
course. It
So
runs in the family, yeah.
I had to think that I need to cut down sugar. And they were like 7, 8 years of my life. I never had even a tablespoon of sugar or anything sweet.
Hmm.
And I believe it was necessary, because right now I eat sweet sometimes when I'm like high, or I have like weird cravings in monsoon, right? So sorry guys, I'm like that.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
We just had like kulfis.
Yeah, it was good, man. Badam
Yeah.
kulfis. Do
Yes.
check it out if you're
So,
in Panchkula.
yeah, of course. So if we will just get back to you like in a minute or so, gotta roll one, and then we'll change
Yeah.
the topic. Let's
What
talk
could
about something else.
what could we talk about?
We'll think about it. Okay, see you guys. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
bye.